Today we've got the Zodiac EL series saltwater chlorinator. We're going to go through the programming and how it works. Now, using the auto power button, we can cycle through our three modes: manual running, manual stopped, and automatic. To change our chlorine production when the system is running, we can use our up and down buttons to increase and decrease our production values. We can get a maximum of P8, which is 100% chlorine production, and P0, which is 0 chlorine production. Next we have our set clock. To do this, we push the menu button and the screen will display CLK. Press enter. The hours are going to start to flash, and with the up and down arrows we can change the hours. Once happy, press enter and it'll move across to the minutes, and we can repeat the process. Pressing enter again, then we can change between AM and PM, and press menu to save. Last but not least, we have our programming of our timers. Now, pushing menu twice will now bring up TMR. Pressing enter will go into timer 1 on time. Using the up and down buttons, we can change the starting time in 15-minute increments. And then once we push enter, we'll bring up timer 1 off time. Again, we can change it and press enter, and then it'll bring up timer 2 on and off times, and you can repeat the process. Now, once complete, you can use your power auto button to select what you want to do. Now, auto running / stopped means that the chlorinator will run on its running times. Manual running means that the system is overridden and will run continuously until you touch it again. And manual stopped is the system will stay off until we touch it again.